Hello, cannabis business minds. And oh my God, what a week it's been living abroad and watching the news from afar and on social media has been really interesting. And it seems really scary and really painful, and an opportunity, hopefully, to get some massive systematic change and reform for African Americans in the United States. This is needed, and it's very, very hard. And I can't even speak to it because, as somebody who everyone believes is a white woman and living abroad, I'm not experiencing it at all, at all. And whoever is listening, I hope that you are doing okay with all of this. And the whole intent on this podcast is to share some resources with you, to help you navigate the journey, or if you want to go support minority owned businesses, just some resources that I have been using myself. It just seems a little bit weird to be posting social media posts about promoting anything about cannabis business minds, and even actually running new content this week. I want to make sure that if you need help with anything, or if you want to talk about anything, please just let me know and I can organize something. Remember that the cannabis industry is an industry that has been an industry where black and brown folks have been disproportionately affected by the war on drugs. And if you're working in this industry, more than any other industry, you have a due diligence and you have a responsibility to be talking about social justice and reform. It's so important. And I realize so much of this is just education and action, and making sure that you are educated on the subject and you understand, if you are a white person, what allyship is, what you could be doing, how to stand up for anti-racism, all of those things. And if you are a Black person, a Latino person, please, I would love to know what else you would want cannabis business minds to do. I know today might be rough. I know this last week probably has been quite stressful. And I just want to let you all know that I'm here in whatever capacity I possibly can be. So I'm going to wait for a week. I do have a ton of episodes that actually are edited and ready for you. But I think that this week the priority is really, how the hell are we going to make some change? Tuning out from the south of France, and I hope you all are doing as well as you possibly can in this uncomfortable time.